With Snagit, quickly capture your screen, edit your capture, then share it. Let's see how it works. One of the most common uses of Snagit is to take a capture, make a couple edits, then copy and paste it into an email or other communication tool. But there's so much more Snagit can do. Snagit is made up of two parts, the capture window and the Snagit editor. The capture window is where you select how you would like to record what is on your screen. Choose between the Image tab to capture still images, the Video tab to record a video of your screen and webcam, or the All-in-One tab that allows you to switch between all capture methods. Once you've selected the tab that works best for you, click the Capture button. Use the crosshairs to select a window, full screen, or click and drag to select a region of your screen. Click the camera icon to take a snapshot of your selected region. To capture a scrolling window, choose the panoramic option. Or choose the video camera icon, then Record button to start recording in 3, 2, 1. Once you've captured your image or video, it will appear in the Snagit editor. Explore the many tools. Draw attention to parts of your capture with tools like callouts. Choose a style, then add it to your image. Use the selection tool to mock up an image. Move objects around or delete them. Add steps to help visually guide someone through a process. Remove unwanted sections with the cutout tool. Create a theme with colors, fonts, and turn shadows off or on. Apply the theme to tools like arrows. Redact sensitive information with the Simplify tool. Make quick edits to the video you've captured of your screen. Then turn it into a GIF you can share. Create a video to share information with your team from the images you've captured. Quickly create a how-to guide with your captures. Choose your favorite layout and add your text. Now you're ready to share. A quick way to share your image is to click the Copy All button, then paste it in a message, document, or other communication tool. Or click and drag the image to share it. Click Share to send captures directly from Snagit to frequently used share destinations. Want to learn more about what you can do with Snagit? Check out our tutorial page, and thanks for watching!